Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make sweet paniyaram. This is a very unique and quick snack recipe, very easy and an instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and to this add half cup of powdered jaggery and half cup of water. Let this boil in medium flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes the jaggery is completely melted, so off the flame and keep this ready. Now to a mixing bowl, I have taken 3 ripe bananas, mash it well. Now to this strain and add the jaggery mixture. Then add 1 cup of wheat flour, a tablespoon of rice flour, a pinch of salt, a pinch of baking soda and 2 crushed cardamom. Mix it well. Then to this add half cup of water and mix well. Now a sweet paniyaram batter is ready. Heat a cast iron paniyaram pan. To this add 1 teaspoon of ghee in each segment. When the ghee is hot, add 1 scoop of batter in each segment. Let this cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again cook for 2 more minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, both sides are well cooked and crispy, so let's now remove them. Now a delicious sweet paniyaram is ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick snack recipe. So do try the sweet paniyaram recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.